Welcome to this video walkthrough of a first floor 2-bedroom in Brookline. So, hello. Oh, cutie pie. Oh, all right. So, we have an open living room as soon as we walk in. Good open space. We have a double vanity bathroom right here. So some cabinets and shelves right there. And move a little further in. Tub and shower combo. Toilet. All right, the window is frosted, but it faces the courtyard. All right. And into the first bedroom over here. Good sized bedroom. Nice large windows. There's a sliding door closet right there. So, as you can see, lots of room. All right, and let me just see what this would be facing. Okay, so that's facing the street. And then those two would be facing the courtyard. And to the foyer and into the living room. Really nice setup over here. Okay. And this living room window is facing the street, Short Street. All right. Closet. Really good sized closet. Thanks. Tiled floor into the kitchen. This is the second bedroom, which seems like they're using it for an office space. And facing Short Street. That is Beacon Street right over there. Another closet over here. All right. And out into the hallway. Thank you, sir. All right. So this is the kitchen area. So decent enough size to set up a table, some chairs. This is kind of one of the cool features for sure. You have a little balcony right here. You could set up some lawn furniture, enjoy that sun. Okay. Hello. And all right. In here, we'll have the laundry in unit. That's the washer, dryer. That's the HVAC system that heat and cools the place. All right. And finally the kitchen, all the way at the end. Kind of an interesting shaped kitchen, but as you can see, all the amenities that you could want. Dishwasher, granite countertops, a nice gas stove, stainless steel, built-in microwave, good sized fridge, cabinets up top, below. All right, more cabinets, your sink, and your window right here facing Short Street. It is pet friendly. Oh, we got this little nook right here, almost forgot. All right. Yeah, so let's see. I think we got everything. Hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. And if you have any other more questions, feel free to reach out at Angel with Leopold McMasters. Have a good one.